If you're using Calendly and you want when an individual book a meeting with you, you send them a Teams invite, right? So in order to achieve this, you're going to go to integrations, then you're going to scroll down to Microsoft Teams and then select Microsoft Teams. However, you should know that this integration only allows you, based on your subscription level, which in my case I'm using the free tier, you can only use a Microsoft 365 business account or a Office 365 educational account. So if you're enrolled in school or you're with an organization, you'll be able to integrate those accounts, right? So all you need to do is just select integrate and then sign in with the account that you're using your Microsoft Teams with. So if my account was supported here, then it will be successfully integrated, and whenever an individual books a meeting, then that link will be sent to them, right? So that's pretty much how you integrate Microsoft Teams with your Calendly account. So that is for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.